In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve that blurry background you see in some YouTubers' videos. The first thing you need to do is add your clip to a project like this, then tap on Effects and choose Video Effects. Tap on Basic and then choose the basic blur. You'll find that effect right next to Shake. Once you find the effect, tap on it, and then tap the check mark. You'll notice that the entire clip is blurred. That's okay. Long press on the end of the effects bar and move it out to the end of the video, so that the blur effect lasts for the length of the entire video. Scrub back to the beginning of the video because you'll need to add an overlay. When you add an overlay, it's added at the position of the playhead, so that's why you need to scrub back to the beginning of your clip. Return to the main toolbar, and now add an overlay. Tap Overlay and then Add Overlay. And select the clip that you've already added. This will insert a copy of that clip on top of the first. With the overlay selected, pinch and zoom to make sure that the overlay fits over top of your first clip. Keep the overlay layer selected, swipe over, and tap on Remove Background. Wait for the background to be removed. When the number reaches 100%, the background will be completely removed and you can export your video.
I am flying to BC with my boyfriend Mike, and it's my very first time on a plane. I've never flown before, so I'm so excited. This is like one of my dream come true, a very big dream come true for me. I'm so excited for the new adventures that I'm gonna have with him and his family. We're going to his stepbrother's wedding, and we're gonna be camping on a beautiful island, and I get to spend a lot of time with his family, and it's something that I have never been more excited about doing than this. It's something that I've been literally dreaming about for like a couple months now. I'm just thrilled. I'm so excited. I feel like jumping up and down. I'm so excited. And to go on a plane, like, yeah, it's scary because I've never been on one. But the adrenaline and the excitement that I have, like the rush, the feeling that I have in me right now, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be fun. I get to go away. I'm gonna be away on my birthday. So we're gonna have a special time in BC for my birthday with Mike and his family. And I'm so excited. And I love you, Mike.